Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your time zone on Yidio's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your time zone on Yidio's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in yidio.com and make a search. Log into your account and the home page of Yidio's account will appear on the screen. Click on the profile icon at the top left corner of the page and from the drop down, click on account option. On the next page, tap on down arrow icon. Choose the time zone that you prefer and tap on it. After you're done, tap on save changes. This is how you can change your time zone on Yidio's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.